Hi kids, how are you all? I hope you all must be fine, right? So today we are going to read for Class 1 Science Olympiad. And in Class 1 Science Olympiad, which portion we are going to discuss? We are going to discuss the previous year questions of SOF NSO Level 1 exam. Okay, so in our previous session, we have already discussed some questions, and in our today's session, we are going to discuss some more questions. Okay. So, are you all ready for it? Yes. So, let's get started. Our first question, which of the following festivals is being celebrated in the picture shown here? Options are A. Religious festival, Festival of Light. B. National Festival, Gandhi Jayanti. C. National Festival, Republic Day. D. Religious Festival, Festival of Colors. Okay. So, we have to find out which of the following festivals is being celebrated in the picture. So you can see here what is happening. So here they are doing parades, right? So when it occurs either in the Republic Day or in the Independence Day. Okay. So what will be the correct answer? It is option C, that is National Festival Republic Day. Okay. Coming to the next question. Which part of the potato plant is used to make potato chips? Options are A. Seed, B. Fruit, C. Root, D. Stem. So we have to find out which part of the potato plant is used to make potato chips. Okay. So you all means we all like to eat potato chips, right? Yes. So from where these potato chips are made? It is made from potato. That is the potato you must have seen, right? What is that potato called? It is the stem of the plant. Okay, so here the correct answer is option D, that is stem. Coming to the next question, the conversation among three friends is given as follows. Sneha, I always cover my mouth while coughing. Rohan, I do not clean my ears with toothpick. Neetu, sorry, I bite my nails to keep them short. Who among the children show good habit? Options are A. Sneha and Neetu. B. Sneha and Rohan. C. Rohan and Neetu. D. Sneha, Rohan and Neetu. So, there is conversation among the friends. Okay. What Sneha is saying, I always cover my mouth while coughing. Yes, we should cover our mouth while coughing. Right. Then Rohan is saying, I do not clean my ears with toothpick. That is also correct. We should not clean our ears with toothpick. Toothpick is made for cleaning the tooth. Okay. And for cleaning the ears, we use earbud. Okay. Then about Neetu, I bite my nails to keep them short. No, we should not bite our nails, okay, because it contains germs in it, right? So what we should do? We should use nail cutter to keep them short, right? And we have to find out who among these children show good habits. So who is showing good habit? That is Sneha and Rohan, right? So correct answer is option B, Sneha and Rohan. Coming to the next question, select the option that can be placed in the same group where object X can be placed. So, four options are there. In option A, clock. B, that is a cat. C, that is a tree. D, that is a piece of stone. Okay, or we can say a piece of rock. So what is X? X is the sun. So we have to find out the option which can be placed in the same group in which we can place the sun. And you know sun, that is non-living, right? And it is also natural. So sun is natural and non-living. Okay, so among these which is not natural and non-living, that is this piece of rock or stone. Okay, yes. Then this clock, it is not natural. It is prepared by man. It is man made, and it is also non-living. And this is the cat. It is natural, but it is living. Tree, it is natural and living. So our correct answer is option D. Got it everyone? Coming to the next question, which of the following is the correct match? Options are A. Cobbler grows crops, B. Farmer delivers letters, C. Tailor stitches clothes, D. Postman mends shoes. So we have to find out which of the following is the correct match. So cobbler grows crops, no cobbler this they mends shoes. Okay, cobbler mends shoes. Then farmer delivers letters, no farmer grows crop. Then tailor stitches clothes, correct. Postman mends shoes, no postman delivers letters. Okay, so which one is correct option? That is option C. Coming to the next question, I am present all around you. I am needed for burning. I also help in gas. Options are A. Playing flute, B. Breathing, C. Flying kites, D. All of these. So, what is present all around us? And also it is needed for burning? Yes, it is air. Okay. So, it is air. Now, we have to find out what means air helps us in which of the following option. First one, playing flute. Yes, air helps in playing flute. Breathing, yes, air helps us in breathing. Flying kites, it is also correct. So which one will be the correct option? That is option D, all of these. Okay. Coming to the next question, which of the following animals gives birth to young ones? Four options are there. In option A, that is a bird. In B, rabbit. In C, cock. In D, that is a spider. So what should we do? Means we have to find out the animals which give birth to the young ones. So can you tell me the answer? If you know the answer, you can write in the comment section. Okay. So option B, that is rabbit, it gives birth to the young one. Okay, a small baby rabbit, and this bird, this cock or hen, and all these they give birth to. Means they first lay eggs. Okay, and from that egg, these young ones they are taken back. So coming to the next question, which sense organ is being used by the child shown in the picture? Options are A. Nose, B. Tongue, C. Skin, D. Ears. So what the child is saying, why is it so sticky? So this boy, he is most probably holding something, right? Yes, here he is holding something and he can feel that that substance is very sticky. So how can we feel that something is sticky or not? We can feel it using our skin only, right? So correct answer is option C, that is skin. Coming to the next question, which plant can be grouped with plant X? Okay, so in plant X you can see grapes are there, right? Grapevines are there, and in option A, that is a coconut plant tree. In B, that is pea. In C, watermelon. In D, that is banana tree. Okay, so here this grapevine, it is a type of climber. Climber means the stems of these plants, they are very weak. Okay, they need support, and with the support they climb the support. Okay, so this pea, this is also a climber. The stems are very weak and they need a support, and they grow on that support. Okay, so here the correct answer is option B. Coming to the next question, Payal is looking at the sky and observes that bright and yellow sun is gradually turning orange. What time of the day does it most likely indicate? Options are A. 6 in the morning, B. 6 in the evening, C. 12 in the afternoon, D. 10 in the morning. So, Payal saw that the sun is bright and yellow. Okay, so excuse me. brightened yellow, but gradually it is turning to orange. That means the sunset timing is nearby, right? So if it is changing from bright yellow to orange color, so the time of sunset it is nearby. And what is the time of sunset? Around which sunset occurs? Yes. Is it 6 in the morning? No. Is it 12 in the afternoon? No. Is it 10 in the morning? No. So 6 in the evening. Option B is the correct answer. Got it, everyone? Coming to the next question on scramble. The given letters to find the name of animal homes and then select the correct match of the animal and its home. So here in option A, B is there, and if we unscramble it, we will get web. This is not the correct option because B lives in bee hive. Then in option B, horse is there, and if we unscramble it, we will get Z, which is not the correct answer because this horse, they stay in stable. Then this cow, if we unscramble it, we will get stable. Okay, this is not correct because they live in the shed. Then cock or hen, when we unscramble it, we will get who? Yes, it is the correct who. Okay, for this cock or hen. Got it? So correct answer is option D. Coming to the next question, which of the following should we do? So there are there are many options. We have to find out what we should do. In the first option, okay, in option A, 2, 4 and 5 only. B, 2, 3 and 5 only. C, 1, 4 and 5 only. D, 1, 3 and 4 only. Okay. So in in this first picture, what is seen? So here these children, they are trying to keep the things in proper place in the rakes. Okay, so yes, we should do that. This one is correct. In the second picture, this girl, she is throwing the peels of banana on the road. So we should not do that, right? Then in third pic, the boy is trying to hit the animal using a piece of stone. So we should not do that. Animals, they are also living. They also have the feeling, right? You just imagine how will we feel if someone will means throw stones to us, right? It will hurt us. Okay, so we should not hurt animals. Then in fourth pic, the girl, she is cleaning the table after having the food. Yes, it is a good thing that we should do. And in the fifth pic, the boy is feeding his pet, right? So yes, we should feed our pet. So what are which of the following things should we do? We should do the 1, 4 and 5 that is present in options. Okay, coming to the next question, dash things can dash. Select the option that correctly fills the blanks in the above sentence. Options are A, natural, reproduce, B, man-made, grow, C, living, reproduce, D, non-living, fade. So, here the living things can reproduce. You know what do you mean by reproduce? They give birth to the young ones either, or they lay eggs. From the eggs, they the when the egg is hatched, young ones develop. Okay, so correct answer is option C, that is living and reproduce. Coming to the next question, which of these needs both water and air? Options are A, a moving sailboat, B, seed growing into a plant, C, drying of wet floor, D, both A and B. So a moving sailboat, it needs both water and air. Also seed growing into a plant needs water and air. Okay, drying of wet floor, it needs only air. It does not need water. So the correct answer is option D, that is both A and B. Coming to the next question, which of the following is the correct pair? Options are A, this tube cycling, B, this helmet walking, C, this zebra crossing for crossing the road, D, none of these. So, this tube we do not use for cycling, we use it for swimming, right? Yes. This helmet we do not use it for walking, we use it for cycling. This zebra crossing, yes, we need it for crossing the road. So correct answer is option C, zebra crossing for crossing the roads. Okay, got it everyone. So this much for today's session. Let's meet you in the next session. Till then, read mindfully, practice all the questions properly. Okay, so meet you soon. Bye bye everyone.